Go stack. Spread.
Carl, be careful, you got tormented.
Countdown. Left side.
We don't have paints up.
I have it. I have it. All when you want it.
Do it, do it.
Okay. Countdown. First left side. Next. This is a regular soaker. So this is mages 1.
We're gonna be missing goggle for right side.
Running for stacks in 3, 2, 1.
How many?
I need 1 more.
2? You want 2?
Yeah, I need 2.
Alright.
Right side. I got it.
Heal it.
I don't need it back.
I got him back. It's on that.
Maybe
Need it
get
back
it.
for gun job.
Nah, don't worry, it's good. I can't get it.
Countdown. Someone take over now.
Shamus take.
On Kage. On Kage.
Psycho can't do the right.
Jesus Christ, I cannot dodge.
Back on map.
Left.
It's left side.
Suki has it.
I have it. Low health bulldog.
I see. Countdown.
On Kage.
Far left. Like very far
Mages.
left.
Run has.
Back on map.
What the fuck?
Where'd you die from?
I have no.
I rezzed you. I'm gonna move forward a bit.
Oh, cauterize.
Inferno on
Calm
map.
down.
Gun job has
Gun
it.
job. I need heals.
I need to move right to gun job.
I'm dead.
Yeah.
So
Keep doing the rotation.
I got it. I got it.
Ranking for melee.
do we have B-res?
Right side again on square.
Yes.
I'm rezzing gun job.
Ellie
Do you need help?
3, 2, 1.
Psycho
Yep.
has it first.
Just say if you need help on or cover.
Countdown. Rinsen.
Is somebody get ready to grab it?
I'm right here.
Grab it. Very good.
Carl's.
Big heals on map.
Left side. Suki has it.
I can take it from Suki.
Men hemming here. Grunts on crystal. Countdown.
Countdown doesn't matter. Just kill.
Oh no, I got debuffed.
Good job, good job.
Easy.
Nice.
Good job, guys. Let me see
Good
this real
shit.
quick. Is there any
Nice fucking kill.
In the head.